Hey there. So, you're facing a bit of a problem here. Imagine you need to automate a process involving Remote Desktop Protocol (RDP) tasks in JMeter. You want to connect to a remote machine, perform some actions, measure the time it takes, and then disconnect. Sounds like quite the challenge, right? Now, let's talk about the solution. Out of the box, JMeter doesn't have built-in support for RDP, and there are no suitable plugins available either. The workaround would be to use desktop automation tools like Appium or automation libraries like LDTP, integrated with JMeter through JSR 223 test elements. They can help automate an RDP client application. But if you need RDP protocol metrics or full control, you'll have to explore Java RDP client libraries like JR Desktop or JRDP and incorporate their functions into JMeter's JSR 223 test elements. In a nutshell, tackling RDP tasks in JMeter can be tricky, but with the right tools and integration, you can automate your process effectively. And with that, we wrap up our video. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy testing.